Hey guys, so it is Miss Archer, and I'm doing this video to kind of help you guys out when it comes to the Google Drive and Canvas working together, so they can work very smoothly if things are okay, or they can work very badly as we found today. So your screen is going to look a little bit different from mine's, but over here to the side you're going to see a section that says Google Drive, and yours may or may not pop up where you're starting to see your Google folders, any documents that you may have in there, the whole nine. So what you need to do is, if you don't see this, then that means you need to give Google and Canvas the access to work together. So yours may come up and it shows authorize Canvas to use Google. You're going to click authorize, which may pop up down here on the bottom. And then it's going to ask you to sign in to Google, and it's going to take you to another screen. So don't panic. It's going to say leave, and it's going to take you to that screen, and you're going to follow the directions to log into Google Drive. Then what's going to happen is, once your Google Drive section of your classroom looks like this, then when you actually go in and you're submitting the assignments, that will be an option now. So you'll see where, and depending on what kind of assignment I have for you to submit, right now we're trying out this feature here. You will see where it has the option for you to submit it, and then you have the Google Drive or Google Docs option, and that way you just click your document that you were working in and submit it in the classroom. That's going to be real important when it comes to the activity Build the Entrepreneur. Let me go to the next one. So for this one here, you guys are actually going to have to submit a Google Doc. I didn't give you a template because of the fact it's one you're going to have to create on your own. So let me go back to student view. And the test student is supposed to have all of that in already. So we're going to go to the test student and build the ideal entrepreneur. And now what we're going to do is when we do submit an assignment, your Google Drive is now an option. And then, because again it's a test student, so everything's not showing like it should, yours might look a little bit different. It may say file upload, then it may say Google Doc. If you have done your activity in a Google Doc, then you'll click on the Google Doc and it'll give you a list of your assignments there, and you can submit it there. So that way you have some options on how to do it. So I hope this helped out a little bit. I hope you guys play around with it and get some things done. Make sure you're checking the announcements. That way everything is in place, and then you should be all good to go. And I will see you guys tomorrow in the classroom.